Yo, today we're gonna make a pom pom ball. So I'm using this, and this is orange color yo-yo wool acrylic fiber. So I'm just gonna be using double of eight. That's double. So when you want to make a pom pom, you can use your hand. You can use anything else. Like you can use anything, but today we're going to be using our hand because I don't really want you to start looking forward to use. So your hand is the perfect stuff for it. So we'll have to wrap the yarn around our hand. So I have 100. I made 100 rows, and you see it's double. So 100 rows is equal to just 200 rows. If you are making single, if you're making with only one, but if you're making with two, you should make 100. So right now I'm going to use my scissors to cut the remaining part off that I don't need. So I want to make it easy for you though, so I'm just gonna be using two, and I'll cut it long enough because I want to use it to tie. So I don't know the one that's gonna be easy for you. Should I just okay, let me just show you. This is half of it, so you can just locate the middle of your finger and put it right through and pull it out through this part. But if you are not comfortable with it, so let me just do this one, please. Okay. Keep it this way. Gently pull it out. Place it on this. And right now we're gonna tie it. Show that you're tying it in the middle. I'm gonna tie it real hard. So you turn around, tie this part too. Please make sure it's tight, very tight. Okay, so this is what we have right now. I just wish you can see it very well. So this is what we have right now. We'll be making use of our scissors, so we're gonna put it in the middle. I'm just gonna do it this way, and I'm going to cut. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. We are not done yet, guys, so you'll have to trim it. So right now we are done. As you can see, we have a very sweet pom pom right here. So nothing is falling. See, nothing is falling. So this is it. So if you feel that you see any other tail, any other thread that is longer than the others, you can just trim it off. So that's just how to make a pom pom. Have fun. So another thing, please try to keep a long tail. This will enable you to attach it to wherever you want to, whether it is your bag or your hat, head cover, or anywhere else. You will know how to do it. Next pom pom that I will be teaching is the soft pom pom, the soft one that is always used for bag and key holder. So I'll teach it, and I will also teach how to make a heart shape pom pom. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you really learned how to do this. I really appreciate you for stopping by. I appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you very much. Stop again next time so that we do some sweet tutorial together. So thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time. Stay safe. Love you. Bye.